I'm here to show you today the soft, fun updo. It's a look that we create a lot in the salons, and it really, really looks great. And I'm going to show you some really quick, easy techniques for you to create that at home. I'm here with Angela today, and we're going to be showing you how to create a soft, fun updo on her hair. Just given Angela's hair a quick shampoo here, and we've towel dried it. And the next stage that we need to do is actually give the hair some sort of texture. It's quite silky and we want to kind of boost some body into it. The way we're going to do that is put a mousse through the hair. The mousse I really like to use is the Frizzy's Curl Reviver Styling Mousse. So what I'm going to do, Angela, I'm going to get you to have a little go. So if you grab hold of the brush, and there's the mousse.
Okay.
Okay, so if you just spray it sort of through the brush.
All right, how much do I need?
You don't not too much, just enough to coat the whole brush. So I'm going to give you the dryer there.
All right.
You throw your head upside down. That's it. That's always a good way, I find, to kind of rough dry your hair. We're going to rough dry it because we want to get that sort of texture dried into the hair. We're going to put Angela's hair up. We're going to pull it right up into the back. So what we're going to do is a little clever, quick technique and actually just tong the perimeter of her hair. The area that's not really going to be used, we can just roll up like this. Get a big clip and sort of clip it out of the way. So what we're going to do now, Angela, we're going to tong the perimeter.
How much of this?
So you want to make sure you come right into the ends as much as possible.
Yeah.
Okay? You hold it for about 3 or 4 seconds.
Is this damaging my hair because it's obviously a heated appliance?
Not holding the tongs on your hair for too long, just so it's sort of 4 or 5 seconds, which is fine. And the mousse I'm using does help protect against sort of heat damage. So now what we need to do is create a base for our hair to pull back into. So what we're going to do up here, we're just going to take a section here and we're going to pop a little bit of back combing into it, just to kind of seal in some of the body.
Which end of the comb do I use?
I'd use the finer end because you're going to get
okay.
more of a solid back combing with that. Starting at the root, sort of pushing down, slightly angled. Where you've got your back combing in there, I'm actually going to roll it around my 2 fingers there. And to seal that in place, very simply, I'm just going to use a couple of grips. Put that grip in there. These are the finer pins we use and sort of hook the hair. So we've got these 2 grips in here now, locking up the 2 sections of the back of the hair, and then all this other texture that we've created will fall over the top.
So does it matter where the ends go?
Not at all, no, it needs to be just really free. The thing is about Angela's hair here is actually quite fine, so we needed to put lots of sort of mousse through it, dry it in to get a lot of body and a lot of texture through her hair. Wonderful other thing about this look is it can be accessorised really easily. Something like one of these bands, you can pick these up in lots of different stores. And there you have it, Angela, the soft, fun updo. Just follow those simple steps, tonging around the perimeter, creating a base, just pinning everything else in.
Thank you.
Feel good?
Yeah, it does, definitely. I like it.